A common question that we are all asked is, if the mother of a newborn baby develops COVID-19 infection, how must one feed the baby? If the mother is stable and if she is feeling well, the safest and the most effective feeding route for the baby is to just continue breastfeeding. All the studies so far have shown that breastfeeding is very safe. There is very less incidence of the virus being transmitted through breast milk. So, because of all the other advantages of breast milk, it is actually safe and prudent to continue breastfeeding when the mother is infected with COVID-19. However, some precautions have to be taken. These are: 1. Regular hand washing. So, the mother should frequently wash her hands with soap for 40 to 60 seconds. There is no need for a specific antiseptic solution. 2. Breast hygiene. Before feeding, the mother may sanitize or clean the breast before latching the baby. 3rd, appropriate respiratory etiquette. So, the mother should wear a triple layer mask while feeding the baby and whenever the newborn baby is in close contact with the mother. And 4th, all the surfaces around the newborn baby must be regularly disinfected. So, if all these precautions are taken, it has been found that breastfeeding is the safest feeding option for newborn babies when mothers are infected with COVID-19. Yes, it must be remembered that there is a possibility of the infection still being transmitted despite these precautions to the baby. However, in vast majority of the cases, newborn COVID-19 disease has been found to be a mild and asymptomatic infection, and this may present like any other flu-like illness and it is easily managed. The second option, if mother herself is not well, if she is having high grade fever, she is tired, or if she is needing some breathing support or hospitalization, then the next best option is to express the breast milk with all the respiratory etiquette like previously discussed: hand washing, wearing triple layered mask, collecting the breast milk in a clean container, and this breast milk which is expressed and stored can be given to the newborn baby by another healthy COVID negative caregiver or family member. Expressed breast milk can be safely stored in room temperature for up to 6 hours and can be stored in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Now, such milk which is expressed can be stored in sterilized containers which are free of plastic, and this can be administered by a cup and spoon or by a nifty cup or by a palada to the newborn baby by another healthy caregiver. In a situation where neither breastfeeding is possible nor the mother is getting sufficient expressed breast milk, then an age appropriate infant milk substitute should be employed. It is important to avoid animal milk like cow's milk or buffalo milk. If you have any doubts regarding this, feel free to consult your pediatrician. Thank you.